Hola y bienvenidos a todos. Hello and welcome you all to my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. Obviously, I am Pallavi. I'll be teaching you Spanish language in a loco way, in a fun way, because Espanol es muy loco, crazy. Y buenas tardes, good evening. Till now you have learned how many verbs are there in Spanish language. You have learned regular verbs and irregular verbs. Okay, today we are going to learn there is another type of verb which is verbo reflexivo, reflexive verbs. Reflexive verbs are how we identify them. Let me tell you. You can see this. Llamarse, it's a reflexive verb. Sentirse, reflexive verb. Say. Okay, these are pronouns, reflexive pronouns. You are going to learn the pronouns later after this video, but today we are only going to learn about the reflexive verbs, verbo reflexivo. Okay, so llamarse, we have already done this verb in the introduction part. Me llamo Pallavi, my name is Pallavi. Okay, so llamarse is a reflexive verb, sentirse is also a reflexive verb. Okay, we are going to learn how we conjugate the reflexive verbs in present tense, or how we conjugate the reflexive verbs normally. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see here, the pronouns we have already done. Okay, los pronombres, these are normal pronouns, but whenever we are conjugating the reflexive verbs, we will always conjugate this verb, and that will depend on the tense. Okay, suppose we are only learning present tense. So what we'll do, first we'll do me llamo. Okay, first of all, let me tell you, whenever we conjugate the verbs, the reflexive verbs, so no matter whatever the tense is, but we will always use these are pronouns. Okay, we will always use this part whenever we are going to conjugate the verbs. We will always use this part before the conjugated verb. Okay, this is the conjugated verb, right? Call me Pallavi. Okay, me llamo Pallavi. We were saying that in the introduction part. Me llamo Pallavi. So we will conjugate the llamar verb like we were doing with AR ending verb, but we will also conjugate this say. So the pronouns are for this reflexive verb me, pe, say. Okay, I will explain these pronouns in the next video, but first we are going to learn what is the pattern. Okay, how we use the reflexive verbs. Okay, how we conjugate them. So te llamas. So what we are doing the same like we were doing with the AR ending verb. Okay, we will remove AR from the end, we will add O, we will add AS, we will add A. Okay, we are doing same. We will conjugate the verbs similarly to according to the AR, ER or IR. Sentir is an IR ending verb. So what we'll do? Siento, sientes, siente. Okay. Me. So we'll remove this first. First we are getting how we conjugate it normally. Okay, llamar is an AR ending verb. We are conjugating it like we were doing with AR ending verb. Me llamo, llamas, llama. Siento, siente, siente. Okay, but if it is reflexive verb, we will always conjugate this. But these pronouns will come before the conjugated verb. Okay, so this is the conjugated verb. So we will also use these. Okay, but this is the part of this verb, right? So llamarse is a full verb, but we have to conjugate this also. So what we'll do say conjugation, llamar me. First person me, second person te, third person say. So me llamo, te llamas, se llama. This is how we conjugating it. Same here, me, te, se. Me siento, te sientes, se siente. Okay, Siento, sentirse means to feel something. Llamarse, to call. Yo me llamo, te llamas, él se llama. Okay, his name is se llama, se llama Mario, se llama Maria, te llamas Bruno, me llamo Pallavi. Okay, so me siento bien, te sientes bien. Good. Se siente bien. Okay, so these all are singular forms. Singular forms. We haven't done the plural form. We will do eventually, right now only. But we are not learning the pronouns. This is just the pattern how we conjugate the reflexive verbs. Okay, so as you can see here, these pronouns you have already done. Nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Okay, so we'll say llamarse is a verb. So what we'll do the same like we were doing with the AR in the verb. Llamamos. Okay. Llamais. Llaman. Okay. So how we pronounce it? Okay, repeat after me. Nosotros nos llamamos. Call us anything. Okay. Os llamais. Se llaman. So as you can see here, from singular also, plural also, say will be say only. Okay. Say will be say only. So learn these pronouns. I will explain them later in the next video. But yeah, just I am telling you the pattern. Nosotros sentimos, sentís, sienten. Okay. So as you can see here, we are doing the same like we were doing with normally verbs. How we conjugate them? We are conjugating them normally. Okay, like we were doing with AR, IR and ER. But we will also conjugate this, the pronoun. Okay, so we will always use the pronoun before the conjugated verb, no matter whatever the tense is going on. Okay, exceptions are always there, but yeah, till now this is the rule. Nos llamamos, os llamáis, se llaman. Nos sentimos, os sentís, se sienten. Okay, so that was it for today. You have learned the reflexive verbs today. So llamarse is a reflexive verb. Sentirse, there are also so many verbs which are reflexive verbs. I will be explaining them later. But yeah, that was it for today. Stay tuned with my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. I'm Pallavi. I'll be teaching you Spanish language in a local way. So stay tuned. Adios. Hasta pronto.